Check these out, scrappers. This was from yesterday's pickup. A solar mob. And this is what they had for me. 7 beautiful solar inverters. They're all cactus, but that's good. I can scrap them out. These things can make you some of the most easiest money, okay? Easiest. I buy these bad boys at anywhere from 40 to 45 cents a kilo, and they return me 3 to 4 times what I pay for them. So all up, I paid about $50 something for these because they weighed 100 and something kilos altogether. And what's inside, as this one's already open, is a bunch of circuit boards. And hidden underneath all these circuit boards on this particular unit, as I can lift it, is going to be some electric motors. There's a circle there, a circle there. They are electric motors in there, and they will be coated in a black gel. Also, as you can see, big juicy chunks of extruded aluminium also to be gained from these solar inverters. As you can see, very juicy. The outside casing of these solar inverters is most often cast aluminium, sometimes steel, sometimes stainless steel, but as I said, very often a cast aluminium. As we can see, another one right here. Chunk key. So, as I said, some of the easiest money you can make, okay? So if you're in a land where solar is really big in the country, there's going to be plenty of these that will need replacing. So if you can work out a price for them, get your hands on them, grab them. Easy money, my friends. Thanks for watching. If you did, like, subscribe if you can. That would be awesome. And have a fantastic day. Peace out.